How to learn WordPress without hosting. This is a step-by-step tutorial, okay? So all I have to do is just go to Google and then type in local WP, just like this one, and then hit on the enter. So when it comes, just select the official site of the localwp.com, this one, and then click on it. It is going to take you to the official site, just like this one, and then on the site, you can download the local for free. If you don't want to download it, you can get their WordPress hosting right from there, okay? So we are going to download it for free, so just click on download for free, and then over here what you have to do is to simply select the platform that you are on. Either you are on Mac or you are on Windows. I'm selecting Windows, that is what I'm on, and all that you have to do is to simply put in your first name, and then you come here and then put in your last name, and then you have to select the organization type that you are dealing with, okay? So I'm going to take you through that one as well. So after that, just come down here and then put in your working email, okay? And then come and then click on get it now. So let's select the organization that we are on. Just click on the down arrow, and then over here just come and then select it. Either it is an agency, or either it is an independent freelancer or consult, or if it is any other, just select it. So this one is an independent freelancer, and then I'm going to put in my working email here. That I just come and then click on get it now, okay? So now as you can see, the download is starting, okay? So if you don't see it, just simply click on the click here and then it will start downloading, okay? So let's go and check our download. So as you can see, it is downloading and then it has finished. So let's open it. So when you click on the opened, the local will be downloaded on your PC, and then it will be open just like this one. So all that you have to do is just locate it and then open it. So when you open it, it is going to launch just like this one, and then you have to choose the one that you want, okay? So I'm installing it for only me, okay? That I just come down here and then click on the next. So when you click on the next thing you have to do is to just choose the destination where you want to install it, okay? And then you also see the required space that it is going to take, okay? So when you are okay, just come here and then click on the install, okay? So it is installing, and as you can see, it has finished. And all I have to do is just come here and then check the box to run the local, and then come here and then click on the finish, okay? So when you click on it, the site or the local has finished and then it will open, okay? So over here, what you have to do is just come and then click on create a new site, okay? So we are going to create a new site and then sign up to our new WordPress, okay? So we just select that one and then just come down here where we have the continue, just come and then click on the continue, okay? So when you click on it, the next thing that you have to do is to simply tell them about your site name, okay? So the name that is in your head, just come down here and then put it right here. So for this tutorial, I'm going to name my site blogging tools, okay? So let me type it blogging tools, and then just come down here where we have the continue, just come here and then click on the continue, okay? So let's click on it, and then the next thing you have to do is to simply choose your environment, okay? So as you can see, it says choose your environment. Just come here, and then me, what I will do is that I will select the preferred, okay? So make sure to select the preferred, which goes with this version. So just select it, and then if you can customize it, do it, but I just want the preferred, and then I'm good to go. So just come here where it says the continue, and then click on the continue. So now what you have to do is that you have to set up the WordPress, okay? So as you can see, set up WordPress, okay? So it simply means that all that you have to do is to simply set up your WordPress username. So put it right here, and then you also have to create your password, okay? So just put a strong password here and then write it down, because you are going to use it to log into your WordPress admin, okay? And then come down here and then click on the add site, okay? So now our site is setting up for us. So as you can see, it is setting up, and then let's wait patiently, and then as you can see, WordPress is being added and it is going to install soon. So as you can see, WordPress is now installing on our PC, and that is very nice, okay? So let's wait for it, and as you can see, our site has been created, okay? So our local site blogging tools is here and it has been created. Now it is time for us to log in, okay? So we have to log in with the WP admin, or we can open the site. So preferably let's use the WP admin. So just click on the WP admin, And then all I have to do is just put in your username, the one that you created, and then after that just put in your password, the strong password you created, and then come here and click on the login. Okay, so you are going to be logged in to WordPress dashboard just like this one, and as you can see it says welcome to the WordPress, and then this is the WordPress version 6.5.2. okay, so to open your site, just go to the blogging tool, that is the name of your site, and then click on visit site. And when you click on it, your site is now open successfully. So as you can see, blogging tools is here. WordPress is now on our PC without paying any money or without paying for any hosting, and we can now learn WordPress and then practice it and then be good with it. Okay, we can customize our site and do whatever thing that we want, and this is how to get WordPress without hosting. Like the video and see you in my next video.